Now, we have to do it this way. Now, I told the engineering to devise a form that this was several months ago, that we have to report 2014 separately, 2014 budget separately, and carry over projects separately. And if I may add now, kasi there will be some releases that will be coming out next week. Supplemental program and typhoon, what's this, calamity, no? Magre-release po tayo next week. I'm just waiting for the approval of GPM. Pero we made the presentation already. So we expect more money to come itong November and December. Now, let me just remind each and every one of you. By the way, I was discussing with them earlier. I will be inviting you through a memo circular to have a meeting on December, ano ba yun? Yung Christmas party natin, ha? 11, no? 11, that is a Thursday. But I want to spend the whole morning talking to regional managers and EMO managers before the Christmas party in the central office. So that will be set up. Please reserve that date, December 11. We will try to reassess what you have done this year, and then what are we going to do in the ensuing years, 2014, 2015, and 2016. Why 2016? We were directed already to prepare 2016 budget. Remember that this is an election year. But we have to be ready. Kasi usually, historically, I spent 16 years of my professional life in DPWH. Pag election year kasi yan, December pa lang, approved ng budget eh. Nag-implement ka na eh. So, we have to be ready for this. I'm discussing all of these things with you kasi ayaw mo na maybe masasaktan pa kayo pag pagagalitan ko kayo. I'm laying the groundwork already eh. Diba? On top of that, si Senior Deputy Administrator natin, si Felix Raso, is the chairman of our GCG committee. This is the Governance Commission for GOCCs.